Is digital marketing for you, my friend? And I'm going to tell you that it is based on 5 quotes that I collected for you so that you feel inside, deep inside, that you are at the right place at the right time right now. So 5 powerful quotes that will teach you what digital marketing is, because before anything else, marketing is a way of life, is a mindset. And if you don't have this, any of the strategy, the tactics that I could teach you or you could learn from other marketing experts, that would not sink in, because it has to come from within. But yes, you need the tactics, the strategies, but it has to come from your mindset. So I'm going to go right away and I'm going to share with you 5 of those quotes that you can actually pin in your Pinterest, because they're in an article that I did. I'll send the link around this video. If you don't know me yet, I am Angélique BINET and I love espresso. I'm the founder of Social Media Love, and I help women entrepreneurs to unleash their inner rock star with paid traffic, organic traffic on social media, so that they can grow their audience and attract the right clients to their business. So here we go. Let's share my screen. I want to show you those amazing quotes. Where are they? Oh, did I remove the thing? Yes, I did. So Angélique, that was not very bright from you. Where did I put my quotes? Okay, bear with me. I'll find them. They're not too far, because I actually I use them all the time, and I did those postcards for you, and I hope I'm going to be able to actually print them and post them on my wall around me in my office. So the first one, you say it's very egocentric. It's mine. It's just because this is what's happening when you show up online. Then you make money. That maybe you're looking for that $100 extra a month, or maybe you run a business and some of your generation of revenue comes from your digital platforms. So this is not a joke. If you show up consistently, there will be revenue generation for sure. So that was the first one I wanted to show you. And the second one, boom. In the middle of difficulty, it's opportunity. So it's right now what we're going through. So some of you may have lost their job right now, and maybe that's a time for you to launch that dream you had to open a business. So whatever business it is, you need an audience, because I'm going to tell you later, if you don't have an audience, it's going to be rough, right? So it's a good time to be online right now, because we know that worldwide, there is like a traffic overall of 40% more people looking at social media. Okay, and people are actually spending more time also to read ads. They really pay attention to advertising messages. They're opening SMS more. They're opening their email more, apparently. So we thought, you hear often, emails, people don't open their emails. But even me personally at Social Media Love, I got an opening rate that is amazing. So right now, people are online and they're paying attention. So you have to be there for them. So this is why I want to show you this one, because in the middle of difficulty, there is opportunity. But what I hear often among my clients is that it's hard to show up online. So because you want, the perfect, you want to be makeup. I don't have any makeup, by the way. You want to look okay. You want the perfect lighting. You don't know how to write, so you need to learn how to write. Well, you know what? You don't have to know all those things. You just start, right? If I was worried about my French accent, I would not even talk to you. I would be mortified, right? And I know what it is. It's completely normal. But what I want to tell you, it's like a muscle. Mindset is like a muscle. If you train it, you're going to get better at it. So the more you're going to do it, and it's really, really the case, the more you're going to do it and learn how to stumble and speak weird and do mistakes. And, I wanted to show you my quotes and they were gone. And so it could be like, oh my God, I'm not ready for this audience. So please don't worry. Just be brave and not perfect. And if you haven't read that book, the Resham Sojani, she's amazing. She's from the Girls Who Code, and she's the founder of this movement. And she's just like every day I remind myself, and I want you to remind yourself, be brave, not perfect. And I promise you're going to achieve so much more online if you say that and remind that to yourself every day. So the next one, okay, you see right now, my mouse doesn't want to go to my next screen. Oh, stop stopping, because that's the, if you expect that once you start being present on social media, that you're gonna have like 100,000 people being part of your community. This is not how it works. This is just a scam if you hear that this is possible. This is not possible. It's one thing to have a big audience, but it's another thing to have a real audience. An audience of people who really have conversation with you, share with you their dreams, their struggles, so that you can help them to reach their dreams faster or help them go through the struggle. So this is what it is to be a marketer. Outside of the strategy and the tactics, it's about, keep training, keep launching that ball, keep helping, even if at the beginning there is nobody watching, nobody reacting, nothing. You have to keep showing up and stop stopping. I want you to, if you start today, let's say you start today, then you're going to start today and you're not going to stop before the next 3 months before you decide to continue or not. Really? 3 months. That's my advice for you. Money is in the audience. That's the thing. So this is why it's so important to build your audience on social media with, paid traffic, paid ads or not. You start with no ads at first if you want to. And you'll see that this is how you cherry pick your audience. It's like building a family, a digital family. So you need to make sure that you know exactly the type of clients you want to attract, and then you bring them in your family. So money is in the audience, because if people discover you, then after that, they're going to trust you through conversation stuff. They're going to read about you, that you're going to give them for free, and then they want to buy from you. So in this article that I wrote on the platform called Medium, I go in depth around how do you find money in the audience. Oh, that's it. That's it for our section on mindset, because I want you to have enough time. So I hope when you watch the end of this video, what you do is you pick one of those quotes and you stick to them. And if you need at any time, if you need help with your paid ads right now or your presence on social media, then you reach out to me, and then we can book a conversation call where you tell me, where you stuck and how I could help you. This is what I will do. So on this note, if you like that type of tutorial, very mindset oriented today, make sure that you like it, you share it, you leave me a comment, and you talk to people around you about it, because I want to grow this community of amazing, supportive entrepreneurs. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao.